Hi guys, Tony Correa here, and today we're going to be analyzing which one is the best website hosting provider for you.
Best Website Hosting Providers by Tony Correa.
Okay, so let's start with the guys from Bluehost. They offer WordPress made easy, hosting done right. Total design freedom, WordPress based builder available, right? Free domain name for the first year, expert 24/7 support. You can start at $3, right? Or $2.95. Everything your website needs from the startup to success. Very good, excellent. Get started fast, build for results, peace of mind. Let's check their plans. They offer share hosting for online stores, manage WordPress. In the share hosting plan, they have a great place to start your website or blog. So if you're bloggers, guys, you can hire this nice plan starting, well, almost $3. For online stores also, you can sell, ship, and process payments with WooCommerce hosting. Very good. For the people who have online stores, manage WordPress. So if you have your website at WordPress, you can hire a plan here. Scalability and performance for your growing website, right? Starting at $9.95 per month. Very good. How about the guys from HostGator? Go where the pros host. Web hosting that scales from easy to expert. A ton of website hosting options. 99.9% uptime guarantee. Free SSL certificate. Easy WordPress installs and a free domain for a year. Excellent, eh? You can start from $2.75, right? Now let's go back to Bluehost. Let's see what we have here. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the recommended plan, the Choice Plus, with added privacy and security features, starting at $4.95 monthly, right? Top features: website, unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage, custom themes, 24/7 customer support, website builder available, WordPress integration, drag and drop functionality, all driven templates. Also include one domain for the first year, free CDN included, right? With the guys from Cloudflare, your website content is stored at over 200 locations globally, so it responds quickly from all over the world. Okay, so they offer this CDN, right? Free SSL certificate. The free SSL certificate is this. Can you see this padlock, guys? This means that this website, for example, has a security system. So this means that it has SSL certificate, right? How about the guys from HostGator? Let's see, get started. We're analyzing the recommended plan. So they recommend baby plan. The baby plan now 65% off. Unlimited websites, one-click WordPress installs, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate for the first year, also free domain included. Your hosting package includes a free SSL certificate that provides security for your website domains and subdomains by encrypting communication between the server and visitors to your website. Very good. Let's see more features about this hosting company. Hosting is even better with all these free features: unlimited storage, room for all the files, go ahead and fill her up. Unmetered bandwidth, bring in all the traffic you want, we got ya. Domain registration, claim your name and get yourself online. SSL certificate, show your visitors you take security seriously. So this means your page shows security here, right? And your visitors feel much more confident. One-click installs, integrating your apps couldn't be any easier. Very good. Built by web pros for, well, everyone. Now let's go back to the guys from Bluehost. Bluehost all plans include easy website creation. Bluehost provides an easy-to-use WordPress website builder to make creating a professional-looking website fast and easy. Very good. SSL certificates, keep personal information, e-commerce transactions, and other sensitive data safeguarded with encrypted connections, right? Resource protection, even if there are other websites on the shared server, your site's performance stays protected and unaffected. Very good. Google Ads. Give your campaign an extra kick with a Google Ads match credit up to $150 on your first campaign. Very good. Only for people from the USA. Domain Manager, Google My Business also they offer. Nice, eh? Domain Manager. Our Domain Manager makes it easy to update, transfer, purchase, and manage your domains in one place, right? Google My Business lists your local business online, including its location and hours of operation, to quickly connect with customers in your area. Excellent, the guys from Bluehost. What is share hosting? Okay, share hosting that works as hard as you do. They offer WordPress hosting for online stores, BPS, dedicated hosting also. Right, excellent. The guys from Bluehost, there they are. Excellent. How about the guys from HostGator? Guarantee, 24/7 support, 99% uptime guarantee, e-commerce tools, and also they give $150 Google Ads and cPanel access also, right? One-click installs so you can build happy. You can use WordPress, Magento, Joomla, Drupal, PHP, VV, right? Level up your web hosting with these must-haves: data safety, and so on. Added security, professional email, and more, automated backups, and SEO tools. Excellent. How about the guys from Bluehost? 24/7 hosting support. You can call them or chat with them. Very good, very good. These companies really are nice to host. Okay, according to your needs, right? If you have a WordPress, if you are looking for an online if you have an online store, it's more convenient for you to host your online store here with the guys from Bluehost. If you're looking for managed WordPress, you can choose HostGator. Also, Bluehost has these plans, right? So it's up to you guys. It's up to you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this has been my review about which one is the best website hosting company, and you are going to choose. It's on you. Okay, Tony Correa today. See you next time. Bye bye.